Hello everyone. I really request you to please give me 5 minutes to go overview the syllabus together because once you gonna entire syllabus with me, you gonna know this is the perfect and best course out there. So all right, I have a broken down entire course into 10 different modules. Module 1 to module 3. The syllabus overview module 1 to module 10. The module one, understanding the Linux concept. The first module is about understanding about Linux concept, and will go and we'll cover about the Linux, Unix versus Linux, and noticing one thing. Every module I have included quiz for you to do, homework to do after each module, and hangouts to read. So you don't really have to read each hangout, but it's good to have these resources in our hand. So the second module, what we will cover in this module, how to download, install, and configure the actual Linux. So talk about virtual machine and downloading that virtual machine, and we'll talk about the different ways to install a Linux machine, and we'll cover the actual CentOS installation, and also includes the portional Red Hat OS installation lectures as well. So we'll discuss about the Linux versus Windows and virtual machine, and with quizzes and homework. Right. So next module 3, moving on to the module 3, which is about system access and file systems, which is about system access and file system, command prompts and getting back, accessing Linux system, SSH terminal, download and install putty, introduction of a file system, and different types of file system based on the basic commands like cd, pwd, ls, file system paths like absolute path, relative path, listing over, creating files and directories using touch, cp, vi, mkdir, etc. So finding files and directories, find, locate, update, wildcards, creating soft and hard links, right? In this third module. So going to the fourth module is about Linux fundamentals. So fundamentals, commands and tags, files and directory permissions, ch mode, file ownership, ch1 and chgrp, acl details, and the tab completion, and up up arrow keys, adding text files like echo, redirects and va, standout files, tree command, pipes, file maintenance commands, something like a copy, remove, move, mkda, rmdir, and the file display commands like cat, more, less, head, tail, and va, test processing commands like cut, sort, grep, awk, uniq, wc, compare files like diff, camp, compress, uncompress, and truncate files using tar, zip, gunzip, gzip, truncate. So yeah, so we'll gonna to the fifth model. What we will cover in on this fifth model. So fifth model about the system administration, Linux editors, VI, text editors, and the difference between VI and VAM, subscription commands, user management, user add, group add, user modification. So user mod, user del, the sudo access, monitor users who last, WID, difference between the LDAP, IDM, WinBind, OpenLDAP, system utility commands, date, uptime, host name, which, call, and the system logs, var log, process and schedules, system ctl, ps, top, kill, cron tab, act, system monitoring commands like top, df, dmessage, isort, netsort, free. So the OS maintenance, something like a shutdown, reboot, halt, init, changing the host names and finding the system info, a uname, Red Hat release, RPL, ARC, will discuss about the terminal control keys, clear exit script, recover the root password, SAS, report, if reference, types of environment variables. Types of environment variables. So coming to the sixth module about shell scripting, Linux kernel, shell, diff types of shell, shell scripting, input and output scripts, if, then scripts, for loop scripts, do while scripts. So we will discuss in the sixth module. So in the seventh module, so the seventh module about networking and servers and system updates. So enabling the internet in Linux VM, network concept, network files, network files like ping, if config, netstat, TCP dump, network config files. So NIC info and port bonding, download files which URLs, connectivity, file transfer protocol, FTP, SCP, rsync, system repositories, RPM, IAM, patch management, advanced package management, setup local. So we'll discuss. So we'll discuss these on the seventh module. So coming to the eighth module is about this management and disk management and run levels. So in the disk management, we'll discuss about system run levels, Linux boost processing, message of the day, custom message of the day, storage, disk partition, something like. So how we gonna use the DF or F disk, etc. Add disk and create standard version, logical volume manager. So here in the disk partition, logical volume manager is the most important concept, and we'll discuss about the logical volume manager, LVM configuration during the installation, add virtual disk and create a LVM partition. So PV create, VG create, LV extend. VG extend, I will discuss extend the disk using LVM, adding a swap space, a RAID, file system check, F check, and XFS repair, dump, system backup, network file system. So NFS, difference between the CentOS, Red Hat 567, and quizzes, homework and handouts. Hangouts will discuss. So coming to the ninth module, this module all about the resume preparation, resume workshop, cover letters, so Linux job description or duties, so exposure to the other technologies, homework and handout. So we'll discuss in the ninth module. So in the 10th module, all about the interview questions. What is IT components, facts about the IT, Linux around us, Linux OS jobs, so IT management jobs, so apply for Linux jobs and what to expect, interview workshop or Red Hat certification. If anyone is trying to do the Red Hat certification, I will help you to the RHCS and RHCE. Join Linux community, 200 plus interview questions, homework and handouts. So these are the modules we'll discuss in the I will discuss in the Linux, guys. This is the syllabus overview, the overview of the syllabus. So we will cover from module 1 to module 10th. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.